Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Binance app on your Mac in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can do that by clicking on the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space on your keyboard, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Binance.com. This is the official Binance website, so make sure you're not using any third-party links. Now at the top of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up will appear, giving you the option to rename it if you'd like. I'll just leave it as Binance. Click Add. You'll now see the Binance icon appear right in your dock. Here's the awesome part. When you click on that Binance icon, it opens in a standalone app window, completely separate from Safari. Even if you close Safari, Binance will stay open, just like a native app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Binance on your Mac as a standalone app. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and installation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.